Live here at Rock of the Range, it's Big Smash Radio, and it's Adrian, right, from Other?
I don't know. I'm sorry. What are you guys? What are your guys' names again? Is it Christina?
That's Smash.
And oh, Smash. Oh, that's right. That's right. Yeah.
Big.
Good to meet you guys.
It's nice
yeah.
to meet you.
How are you?
I'm the brains.
It's Otherwise, is it?
No. Actually, it's Anotherwise.
Anotherwise.
Yeah, we're an Otherwise cover band.
And you're from where again?
Las Vegas, New Mexico.
It's that's my favorite. It's just so it's funny that is this the 10 millionth interview? Do you get free steak knives after talking to us this many times?
I know, right?
Ginsu, man, Ginsu.
Yeah, like we can afford Ginsu. This is radio and rock and roll. We get maybe from the dollar store. We'll get you a nice
you can get
steak
you
knives.
can get them there now.
Yeah, I know.
Yeah.
The only thing I own is from the dollar store because I told my mom when I was going to move out. As every time I think about moving, it's just like, well, you got to pack up all your stuff. It's like, no, it's why you buy shit at the dollar store. You throw it away, buy it again next city.
Get rid of it.
Yeah, absolutely.
Well, I think the last time I saw you guys was in Las Vegas.
Yeah. Yeah. In fact, it's funny. You can ask Ryan, my husband, now that I just got married. It's so weird to still say that.
We
one
were
of
there
our
for that.
favorite pictures was the one of you, me, and him. Honest to God, I'll have to show it to you.
Oh, you got to show it.
It's such
Are we
an
wasted?
awesome picture. You look great.
Okay. All
You
right.
look great.
You know what? I didn't think of that. That is the last time. Actually, one of the night he came up to me after the wedding and said, "I can't believe you used an Otherwise story in the wedding."
Yeah,
you were
that
like
was
really
beautiful.
actually touched by that.
Dude, that was. I mean, you got all these big bands that you guys talk to, and you know we're still fighting to make our own place in rock and roll, and for that ceremony to take place at the conference that it took place at the friggin' House of Blues, it was. To even be, an honorable mention in your story and your journey, you guys are a part of our journey. Like,
man.
It was an honor.
We're actual friends, you know that, right? Like, I don't give a shit that you're in a band. Like, you're just actually a dude I like. I mean,
don't tell people.
No,
that, Rick.
I know, but no, it was nice to be able to include you because trying to write their wedding. I mean, I wrote stuff down. I was flying out there and I was writing things down, and I had cards and shit, and I was like, you know what? I'm just gonna fucking tell stories, and that was like that one was the perfect
They all
one.
centered around alcohol, if you can imagine. Like,
No, I am from Las Vegas, New Mexico. I know what you're talking about.
It was great though for us too because, we don't have I don't have family in North Carolina where we live. And so radio and rock has been my family for 15 years. I've been doing this now. So for me to have and during that, convention, to have all of my rock family and friends there was awesome. It was like my family.
It was
beautiful,
beautiful,
it was perfect.
Man. It was a good time. And I mean, for us, it was our second show of the year of 2015. And, to be there with you guys was just incredible.
Yeah.
How much do we trust them? Do you realize at one point at 3 o'clock in the morning in the middle of Las Vegas, we followed these jackasses on a bus to wherever to go to a strip
It wasn't
club?
wherever. It was Spearman Rhino. Thank you very much.
But at the time, it was just like, hey, let's get on this bus. Okay.
It was a lot of fun.
Dude, let's do that.
Yeah, I was like, I'll follow you anywhere. Why? I don't know, but I will.
It was
And
a
we
lot
had
of
a good
fun.
time,
Yeah.
right?
Yeah, we
From
did.
what I remember, we had a good time.
That was
I
a
think,
lot of fun.
Right?
Yeah. Oh no, I think we had a good
She
time.
made it to the wedding, so we're good.
Yeah.
Yeah. It was not the next day. It was the day after.
Yeah, so we had 2 days to recoup,
Yeah.
but it was a lot of fun. Although was sitting there just critiquing all the girls, because that's what girls do when they go to the titty bar.
Right.
We just critique their
Yeah.
moves.
I watched the
Not
titties.
their body, their moves.
Yeah.
Oh, just
I
the
watched the
boobs.
titties.
Of course.
I don't.
just watched the
I
titties.
critique them in a different way. There's little ins and there's big ins and there's in between ins. That's how I critique them. You're like, you're hanging upside on the pole wrong, bitch. Let me show you. That's what she said. I saw her. do it.
In-between-ins.
I have to
In-between
tell
ins.
you, and I didn't actually read the article, but Ryan did. He found an article recently, and you have to ask him about it, but it was like a heavy metal, I think it was a website actually, and they had caught your show, I think it was with Seether. Were you playing with Seether recently?
Yeah, we just played with Seether.
So they did like a review on the show, and you're thinking, oh shit, because it's a metal guy, they probably hated
Yeah.
us. He said, and don't quote me verbatim because I don't remember exactly, basically that he was a little bit skeptic as far as Otherwise when he got there, but you guys put on one of the best live performances that you own to the audience that he's ever seen.
Wow, really?
Yeah, I have to figure out what website that was, but for a metal guy to say that,
for a metal guy
yeah,
to say
right?
that,
Because they hate
like,
on everybody
oh my
unless
gosh.
it's like,
But
Iron Maiden.
Corporate butt rock.
Yeah, that's what we try to. That's what we try to do, And it's like if there's any detractors out there, come to a show, and then whether you like our songs or not, you will at least see that we leave it like we play every show like it's going to be our last, because it very may well be. Like tomorrow's not guaranteed to anybody, so that's actually a compliment of the highest order.
Yeah.
I want to find.
Yeah,
that.
we'll find out. We'll ask Ryan what website it was, because he's the one that was telling me about it. And I was like, that's awesome.
Like positive vibes.
No,
right?
everything's been positive. I mean, think about that. At a last minute, you were the band they went to fill in on the show because you weren't originally here.
No.
That was only like a week ago or so, wasn't it? Maybe a little longer, but
2 weeks.
Yeah,
we booked 2 weeks out, and this is now our third Rock on the Range that we've done, and we've only been on the national scene for 3 years, so we're very fortunate.
Well, we were standing on the side there waiting for you guys to come out, and when we knew the weather situation was making you guys late or whatever, I was like, man, I hope they play soon, because this is a freaking crowd out here. They're going to be, I mean, did you see? Of course you did. The people out there.
It was.
For
There's
you
no
guys,
end to it.
I mean, they were all over the banister. I don't know if you could see them from the side.
I couldn't. Well, we had the LED screen,
yeah, they
so
were
I tried to
all
run over that side. It was just.
But they were up in the banisters from the arena part, like looking over at you guys.
Amazing.
Like they were all lined up watching you.
That was. I mean, the last time we played Rock on the Range, the crowd was incredible, and it was even bigger this time. So that's all we want is growth, evolution. Like light through darkness, man. It's awesome, and you guys help us with that, dude.
It's happening. It really is.
It's all happening.
Super. No, but I mean,
what is your spirit fingers?
Yeah. Super.
Your aura is purple.
You know what? I'm gonna thank you to keep yourself out of my aura.
That's an Almost Famous reference, by the way.
I know.
I want to get all up in your aura.
I'm on drugs. That's the Almost Famous.
Are you?
reference.
Well, give it a share, dude.
He doesn't
Back
share.
to you, Tina, in the studio.
Breaking news. We're all on drugs.
We're all golden gods.
Somebody's going to take that interview, this interview, and they're going to take that clip.
And be like, dude.
I hope
now
they fucking
the rumor
do.
is you guys are on drugs.
I hope so. I hope it gets on TMZ. That'd be awesome.
Right? It's
Our lives are made if that shit gets to TMZ.
We're going to work on that, dude.
Let's go do drugs. Oh my God, that's horrible. So, just kidding. Just say no to drugs.
Nancy Reagan and shit.
How's the little one?
He is, oh my God, he is my beacon.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? Like I never thought I'd be the guy like showing pictures of your kids. I never thought I'd be the guy like posting photos of your baby online. It's just this kid. He's got his own fire in him, and he's giving me new fire, and he's gonna be a legend already. I know it. Like he's got it. Like,
yeah.
And it's like, oh man, you're friggin'. I never in a million years would have imagined being able to miss one single person, one single human being as much as I miss him.
Yeah.
Well, you are a great rock and roll dad. Rick's that way too. Rick the Jesus is that way too. He's a great rock and roll dad. Like everybody else in the band's posting pictures of the crowd, and then you're posting pictures of your kid. I mean, you can tell it's there, man. It's a great.
I try not to go overboard with the baby pics, but he's just so friggin' adorable. This kid. Thank God he looks like his mother. So.
Well, you know how you have that feeling of love and proudness now. When we were in Vegas, you brought your mom out on stage, and so now you know how she must feel the same way. Like, these are my sons, and look what they're doing. I'm so proud of them, and they're a huge supporter of you guys, right?
If it wasn't for our mom and dad, my brother and I would not be here sitting here talking to you guys. They are, without a doubt, they are our life, our bloodline, our everything.
Yeah.
And I want to be the same now for my son, and it's given me a new perspective on what we're doing here. It's like when we first started, it was like, we were so angry and we were so sad, and we were like facing death. Our cousin Ivan had just passed away, and now on the second album, my son is born. So it's the complete polar opposite, and it's like it's a whole new beginning, and this kid is gonna. If I can't save the world for him, he'll save the world for everybody else. You know.
Aw.
That's actually really nice.
I know.
I don't
Like
know.
a-
I don't actually don't know what to say. Like, I mean, I don't have any kids.
We're on drugs.
Yeah. Why do I have to be the dick that screams we're all on drugs? And you guys are like, oh, kids are beautiful and saving the
He's
world.
gonna change the world.
I'm a piece of shit, man. Ow.
Yeah, we're all gonna die. Don't worry about it, Big Rick.
So, when are we gonna get some? Are you guys gonna continue to tour and just support this album, or are you already working on some new stuff? Or
Well, we're always working on new stuff. You know, we got a new guy in the band. Our new bass player, Tony Carboni, is the beast. Carboni is he's a beast. He's a multi-instrumentalist. He's a true music man.
now, where did he come from?
Vegas.
Of course.
I mean, come on. We
Has he
can't.
been friends with you?
He with our drummer Corky. Corky's the one who brought him in, and you know.
Oh, I think I did read about this.
Yeah,
Yeah.
they've been playing together for many years, you know, doing cover projects and Blue Man Group and all the shows on the Strip. So, I mean, these are like real musicians, you know, and like guys who actually live it, you know, not guys who want to say, oh,
Yeah.
this is my life, music is my life,
And
man.
that's so important.
Music is my life,
You
and it's
can't fake it. You can't. People see right through that stuff.
Oh shit. Yeah.
well, not everybody.
Not everybody, but and then I won't mention any bands, but we know the fake ones from the real ones. You know what I mean? Especially
Yeah.
when they're put together by
Yeah.
record labels.
Yeah, absolutely. And I mean, you know, I got my
We
brother.
were safer screaming we're all on drugs.
We're
than
all on
going in,
drugs!
yeah. Than-
Drugs.
Yeah.
Okay. Drugs.
Take it away, Big Smash.
Oh God, poor Jeremiah. Don't look at him. Look at him. He's
Look at his face. He's
yeah,
like,
he's
man, I gotta
he's
edit
had
this shit,
enough.
dude.
He has had
No,
enough
he
of
doesn't
this.
edit it. He's just like, they're fucking assholes. I'm just
Oh
gonna
yeah,
put it
no,
on
he
the air.
he just leaves it.
He loves us.
I like that. That's real. That's
Especially
real
when
talk,
I drop
homie.
The mic.
Oh, I tried. I tried.
He's
I-
like, I
that's-
hate you so much.
You guys are torturing this dude.
Do it. Aw.
Gently place the mic onto the table and hum.
I freaking love you guys, man.